Impeachment ni Sara, dismissed na. Walang kwenta yung laway ko sa mga video na to kasi naglabas na ng most anticipated decision ang Korte Suprema patungkol sa petisyon ni Duterte para mapawalang bisa ang impeachment laban sa kanya, VP Sara.
In a unanimous decision today, July 25, 2025, the Supreme Court en banc declared the articles of impeachment against Vice President Sara Duterte unconstitutional, noting that it is barred by the one-year rule under Article 11, Section 3, Paragraph 5 of the Constitution, and that it violates the right to due process enshrined in the Bill of Rights.
In a decision of 13-0 and 2, unanimous ang pagboto ng mga justices sa pagprotekta kay VP Duterte. Notably, Justice Raul Villanueva na inappoint ni Marcos at Aquino appointee Marvic Leonen also voted for the affirmative. Yung dalawa, either nasa break or nag-recuse. It is also notable to point out na an overwhelming majority ng mga Supreme Justices natin ay inappoint ni former President Rodrigo Duterte. Now, I'm not pointing something out. I'm not pointing anything out na, kumbaga, they owe it to Duterte kaya pinoprotekta niya si VP Sara. I'm not claiming any of that. But you see how it kind of plays into the discussion. I'm just stating what may look really evident. May ugong-ugong pa nga na alam ni Cheese na papanig ang Duterte-packed Supreme Court kay Sara. Kaya niya dinedelay with the remanding ng ating impeachment complaints.
What is the attitude of the Senate and the Senate Impeachment Court dun sa kung ano man ang magiging desisyon ng Supreme Court dun sa mga pending petitions regarding the impeachment now?